bullies in town who pray and pick on the weak. But what really bothers me is people like you who just let it happen and don't fight back. Well, if you don't do anything about it, then everything just stays the same. Can you honestly say you're okay with that?
I thought it'd be good enough to have a good fight. Yeah, everyone told me what a good job I did, but I wanted to be happy. I really wanted to win. I wanted to win.
Remember now, keep your hands up and survive this round. Keep your guard strong no matter what happens.